Okay, there it is. Sometimes it interjects in the middle of a video. What are you going to do? Hopefully you're back too. Let's continue. So I say to everyone here, don't put any limitations on the power in you, though he sleeps. For Christ in you is sound asleep until the very end when he begins to awake. Anytime it strikes you to do your imagining, you need to stop what you're doing and do it, like I just did. I even interrupted the recording of this, but we shared the moment, didn't we? You had your opportunity to do it. But this is when you're supposed to do it, when it strikes you, not save it for later, not when you have the right information gathered, not when you've had enough Neville in your ears. You know you've had enough Neville in your ears when you tilt your head and just comes pouring out. Oh, I love that joke. How do you know when you're drinking too much water? Tilt your head and water, you know the joke. Whenever it strikes you, you do it. At a traffic light, in a grocery store, in line at the grocery store, in the barber's chair, whatever. Whenever it strikes you is when you do it. Your eyes are wide open even. You just imagine lovingly. If it's for another, for a friend, it's for yourself, it's for your family, it's for your wife, your husband, your daughter, your son, everybody, anybody. When it strikes you, that's when you're supposed to do it. And who gets the grease? The squeaky wheel gets the grease. Oh, there's another one I must do.